Hi, my name is Lunis and I'm president of Manifone, a France-based telecommunication company. And today I'm going to tell you about a new really revolutionary service that allows anyone to call his Skype buddies from any fixed line or mobile phone without any internet connection and without needing a special phone like a smartphone, for example. Let me show you how it works. I take my fixed line phone and I dial a local number for each of my Skype contacts. So here I'm dialing one number which will ring directly on a Skype phone. Hello.
Hello.
Hi, this is Lunis. Talk to you later. As you could notice, it is extremely simple because each of your contacts gets a specific local fixed line number that you just have to store in your phone book. And there you go. You can call him from anywhere. And calling a friend that is in a different country, somewhere else in this world, will only cost you the cost of a local call. All calls of less than 3 minutes are completely free, and if you want to have access to unlimited calls, it will only cost you $10 for a 6-month subscription to this new service. So come and join us on manifone.com.